Hello everyone. Today I'll show you a very useful setting that will help prevent any connections to your device that could negatively impact your privacy. This could mean loss of personal data or eavesdropping. It's no secret that devices can be connected to via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, tracked via GPS, and there are also various other devices that can connect to your phone remotely, without you even knowing it. By the way, this also applies to your cameras. Smartphones have certain settings that are advisable to enable at least occasionally to protect yourself. I'll tell you everything and show you now. Be sure to give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and share with your friends. So, watch. To do this, you need to go to the standard settings. Click. And here you need to scroll down and find a section called Google. It might be called Google Accounts. Click here. Then watch. Click on All Services and keep scrolling. And we find a setting called Unknown Tracker Notification. Click on this line and see if it's enabled or disabled for some people. If it's disabled, then look, on the one hand, it's good that all these features won't be constantly running and tracking other devices. This will drain the battery less, but it might be enabled. There. But it won't work fully. For it to work fully, you need both your Bluetooth and connected GPS working. I personally recommend, since Bluetooth and GPS can constantly drain the battery, to adjust this setting at least occasionally. That is, go here, turn on this slider. Then we turn on Bluetooth. Bluetooth is enabled for us. And we turn on geolocation in the same way. Here we turn on general geolocation, go back. Now we have everything available, and we can check everything manually at this point. Here is the Check Now button. Before we start checking, look, trackers are small Bluetooth devices that can be attached to objects, like keys and so on, but that's not really important. But here it says that in some cases, owners can use trackers to track people's locations without their knowledge. That's what I was telling you. Someone could be tracking you without you even realizing it, so you should enable this feature at least occasionally and check. Click Scan. Wait for the scan to complete. You can do this at work, at home, or in places you frequent. So far, I haven't detected anything, but I advise you, if even one device is found, of course, take it and delete it, so you're not being tracked and no one else can access any information from your smartphone without your knowledge.